Hello there, welcome back to my channel. I am Kaur from Speak Smartly with Kaur. So, today I'm going to talk about my improvement, my whole improvement, that how I have learned English alone at home, without having any partner. So, now let's get started. But firstly, how are all of you guys? I hope you all are learning this language in a good way and in an interesting way. So, I just want to tell you one thing that I will fumble in this video, and I am also a learner like you. So, if I will make any kind of mistakes, so please try to avoid that mistake. And if you will grab any kind of mistakes while watching my video, so please let me know in the comment box. So, I'll try to make correct that mistake, or I'll do self correction. Okay, guys? So, now let's get started our video without having any further delay or without squandering our time. So, guys, firstly, what we do make excuses. Whenever we want to learn English, so we always think in our mind that, oh, I will start from tomorrow, or I don't have any friend for speaking or for having any conversation, so I can't learn English. Has this happened with you? If yes, so please let me know in the comment box, because in this video you are gonna learn about all the solutions that how can you learn English alone. Okay, guys, so firstly, try to record yourself. So this is the first step. Okay, try to record yourself, try to speak in English, then try to record yourself. If you can't record your video, try to record your audio in English. Okay, now why I'm saying that you should record yourself, because recording ourselves is a kind of practice for us, because we don't have any partner, we do not have any good environment, but we want to practice in English. So at that time, what can we do? We just simply make our videos, and it's gonna help you a lot. And why it's gonna help you a lot? Because when you will make your video in English and you will listen that, you will watch your video, that what kind of expressions you are using while speaking in English, and where are you making mistakes in English, where are you making the sentences in a wrong way, in a right or in a right way. So you are gonna grab all these mistakes when you will record yourself. Okay, guys, because you are gonna be a feedbacker to yourself. Okay, guys, you will give feedback to yourself after watching that video. Okay, now you do not have any partner, but you wanna feedback for yourself, like you want to improve yourself, but you do not know where are you making mistakes. But if you will make any video for yourself, or if you will record yourself while you are speaking in English, so at that time you can do self correction. Okay, just try to record yourself, then listen to that, then try to grab mistakes, that where are you making mistakes, try to grab that situations. Okay, guys, if you are thinking that, or if you are making mistakes while pronouncing any word, so try to repronounce that word. Just go onto the Google and search the right pronunciation of that word, then try to pronounce that word again and again. Okay, guys, and then you will let to know that where you can give stress to some words, like if you will have to speak any word in English, but there would be some kind of word where you have to give stress in some words, like for example, parrot. Now you have to speak this word, parrot, pronounce this word. Okay, but you are pronouncing this word in a wrong way, but you can get a right pronunciation of this word from the Google. Okay, then you will get to know that where you have to give stress on any word in this word. Okay, on any spelling. Okay, you have to give stress on any spelling. Okay, word means there is a one word with some spellings, with some capital letters or small letters of English. Okay, but there are some words in which you have to give stress sometimes, like parrot, parrot. Then you will have to give stress on rat, parrot, parrot. Okay guys, so this is how you can learn new words by getting to know about the right pronunciation by the help of Google. If you don't want to use Google, so you could easily, or you could simply go onto the YouTube, where you can get a lot of videos related to pronouncing the words in a right way, okay guys. So you could use those videos for improving your pronunciation. Okay, so firstly, recording video will gonna work on your pronunciation. Now, what would be the second thing which would improve by recording yourself? Actually guys, I'm telling you that I am also doing this. I am recording myself. As you can see, I'm making videos and I'm posting these videos on my YouTube channel. So it's also a kind of practice for me. I do not have any partner. I do not have good environment to learn English. So that is why I'm making videos for myself and also for others who want to learn English. They can see that how I am learning these days. Okay guys, and I have improved a lot. Okay, before some time I used to make videos, but I didn't upload those videos on my YouTube channel because I was not this much good. Okay, I was not this much good. Now I am able to speak in front of the camera, but at that time I was not that much good. Okay guys, so that is why now I am posting my videos, because now I'm think that I have a good experience of learning English. Now I can share this experience with others, that how I have learned English alone at home. What are the sources, what are the methods that I have used, and this method is a very natural method. You can learn English by this method. It's a very kind of effective method for all of the learners, for all of those students, particular students who are living in village, who do not have good environment to learn English, but they can create environment for themselves. Okay guys, what do you have to do? You just have to put your efforts. Try to create environment for yourself. Try to record yourself. Try to listen that. Try to grab your own mistakes and try to do self-correction. So this is how you're gonna improve yourself. Now, what is the second thing that you will improve by recording yourself? So second thing, you will get to know how to define any topic in a good way, how to explain any topic in a good way. Because when you will record yourself, you will immediately think that now I'm gonna record myself. So firstly, I have to explain any topic in a good way. I should have some right structure of some sentences, and I should have some good vocabulary words for using in this recording. So at that time, your mind will work to learn new words. Okay, so this is how you're gonna improve your English, and it will also work on your structure making. It will also work on your process of sentence making. Okay guys, and how it will work on this, when you will make new sentences, so at that time you will get to know that how you can make new sentences according to the situations. Okay guys, firstly you will make some simple sentences. Okay guys, then what do you have to do? You should have to learn some new structure of new sentences. Then your mind will definitely use those structures in your recording. Okay, because it's kind of natural thing. When we have learned anything in English and we are practicing in English, we are speaking, whether that is with someone or in front of camera, but you have learned any new structure of sentence in the morning, and now in the evening you are recording yourself. So at that time your mind will immediately think that yes, I should use this sentence in this, I should use this sentence structure in this. So definitely your mind will automatically work and try to make new sentences by the help of structures. Okay guys, so what do you have to do? You just have to put your efforts. Okay guys, I know that sometimes I'm fumbling, but please guys, try to avoid this and try to listen about the solutions, that how can you learn English. Okay guys, as I already told you that I'm also a learner like you. So try to apply these methods in your life if you really want to learn English. And if there is a question that raises in your mind that why English is this much important these days, why English is integral part of everyone's lives, so I would say that it's most necessary part of education, of any company, of any kind of job. Okay guys, for example, if you are going to give interview somewhere, so at that time you should have good communication skills, because this is the must thing which is gonna be help you a lot. Okay guys, because there are maximum interviews which are taken by the individuals in English, so at that time you will have to introduce yourself in English. So if your communication skills would be good, so you could make good expressions, you could easily introduce yourself, you could easily explain all the answers in English if they will ask any question in English. Okay guys, so try to build your own strategies for learning English. Okay, okay. Then now the next thing, that how can you improve your English. So the next thing, accept recording. You could explain any situation in English. For example, there is one scenery that is related to any playground, and that playground is related to any football ground. So there are some kids. Okay, there, for example, there is one photo, and in that photo there are some kids, and they are playing with the football, and on the stairs of stadium, their parents are watching them, and there is also a green grass for greenery, for showing the greenery. So firstly, what do you have to do? You just have to name the objects which are over there or which are in the photo. For example, number 1 children, number 2 football, number 3 grass, number 4 parents, number 5 stairs. So you have 5 words. Firstly, try to name the objects which are over there. Okay, now you have named the objects. Then try to make simple sentences by using the names of 5 objects which are over there or which are in the picture. For example, we have our first word children. So you could say that there are 5 children. Now second one is football. Children are playing with the football. Now the third one is grass. There is also a green grass for showing the greenery or for showing the naturality. Okay. Number 5 parents, and number 4 parents, number 5 stairs. Okay. So 4 and 5 we could make one sentences by using these name of 2 objects. Okay, so we could say that there are parents which are watching their children while playing by sitting on the stairs. So now you have made many sentences by the use of 5 words. These sentences are very simple. You could easily make these sentences by just getting to know about the names of objects which are shown in the picture. Okay guys, so this is how you can improve your English, and these are very natural methods for improving your English. You could easily use those methods for improving, for brushing up your communication skills. What you have to do, you just have to put your little efforts in it. Okay guys, now that's all for today. If you have liked my video, if you have learned something from my video, so please share it and like it and subscribe my channel. And it's my first video of this channel, so please guys, like this video, subscribe my channel, and share this video as much as you can, because it's gonna help me a lot, as I am a villager and I'm also a learner like you, and I want to improve myself, and I also want to others to improve themselves also. So that is why I'm sharing all of my methods, I will also share all of the sources that I have used in the journey of learning English. Okay guys, but I will make videos on other topics. Okay, okay guys. And now this is a that kind of video which is gonna be long, so that is why I have to end up this video here. And thanks for watching, and thank you and bye bye.